Hi, this is Josh Lehrer, Leica Specialist at Dale Photo & Digital. The Leica M9 is the first and only full-frame digital rangefinder. It is also the smallest and lightest digital full-frame camera. The Leica M9 combines an incredibly high-quality 18-megapixel CCD with no anti-aliasing filter, with the ability to use any of Leica's legendary M-mount lenses produced over the past 50 years. Stay tuned to learn more about this camera's features and functions. Now we'll go over some of the physical features of the Leica M9. On the front of the camera, you'll see the viewfinder. Looking through the viewfinder, you'll find frame lines that correspond to the current focal length lens you have mounted. In addition, in the center of the viewfinder is a patch used for properly manually focusing the lens. Next to the viewfinder is the frame line illuminator. What this does is uses available light to illuminate the frame lines inside the viewfinder. Next to that, you'll find a small secondary light meter. This is used to control proper flash exposure. Next to that is the rangefinder window. This projects the focusing patch inside the viewfinder to allow for proper manual focusing. Underneath the rangefinder window, you'll find the lens release button. To release the lens, press the button, rotate the lens, and remove. To reattach, match up the red dots, turn, and click. On the other side of the lens is the frame line preview lever. What this allows you to do is, while the current lens is mounted, preview the effects of different lenses by viewing their frame lines. Push towards the lens to see 28mm and 90mm. In its middle position is 50mm and 75mm. In the outer position, it's 35mm and 135mm. On the top of the camera, you'll find the shutter release button. Surrounding the button is the 4 positions of the power switch: off, S for single, C for continuous, and a self-timer, either 2 seconds or 12 seconds, which you can change in the menu. Next to that, you'll find the shutter speed dial, with speeds ranging from 1/4000th of a second to bulb. In addition, there is an A mode for aperture priority. Next to that, you'll find the hot shoe for mounting flashes, viewfinders, and a wide range of other accessories. True to Leica's heritage, the Leica M9 features a removable bottom plate, giving you access to the camera's battery and memory card. To remove the bottom plate, simply flip the lever, rotate, and pull. Once the bottom plate is removed, you have access to the camera's battery, which was removed by pushing the lever outward, and the camera's memory card, which is removed by pushing the memory card in and pulling out. To reattach the bottom plate, simply match up the notch on the bottom of the bottom plate with the safety catch on the camera, push in, rotate, and flip. On the back of the camera, you'll find a number of buttons that correspond to the camera's internal menu features: play to review images, delete to delete an image, ISO to change your ISO, the info button, which gives you the camera's current status, and the set button. This functions both as a way to access some of the primary functions, also is your OK button. On the other side of the 2.5-inch LCD screen, you'll find the menu button to access the camera's main menu. Underneath the menu button, you'll find a small scroll wheel to zoom in on images and navigate the menu, and buttons to also navigate the menu and to navigate around an image while it's zoomed in. This covers the basic operations of the Leica M9.